Welcome back to my channel where we make learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important in communication: pronouns. By the end of this video, you'll know all about pronouns, their types, and how to use them correctly. So, let's get started. First things first, what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that we use to replace nouns in a sentence. Instead of saying a person's name or repeating the same noun over and over, we use pronouns. For example, instead of saying, "Sarah likes Sarah's book," we say, "Sarah likes her book." The word her is a pronoun. Easy, right? Let's break it down further. Pronouns make our sentences smoother and less repetitive. Imagine if we didn't use them. Conversations would sound something like this. Character 1. John went to John's car to find John's phone, but John realized John left John's phone at John's house. Host, that's a mouthful, right? Instead, we use pronouns. Character 2. John went to his car to find his phone, but he realized he left it at his house. Host, much better. Now, let's talk about the different types of pronouns. Pronouns come in various types, and each type has its unique function. Here are the main types you need to know. Personal pronouns. These are the most common pronouns and are used to refer to people or things. Examples include I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Example, I am learning about pronouns. Possessive pronouns. These show ownership. Examples are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Example, this book is mine. Reflexive pronouns. These refer back to the subject of the sentence. Examples include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Example, she taught herself to play the piano. Demonstrative pronouns. These point to specific things. Examples are this, that, these, those. Example, this is my favorite movie. Interrogative pronouns, used for asking questions. Examples include who, whom, whose, which, what. Example, who is calling? Relative pronouns. These connect clauses or phrases to a noun or pronoun. Examples are who, whom, whose, which, that. Example, the book that you lent me was amazing. Indefinite pronouns. These refer to nonspecific people or things. Examples include anyone, everyone, someone, nobody, nothing. Example, everyone enjoyed the party. Got all that? Don't worry if it feels like a lot. Let's see how these work in real sentences. Using pronouns correctly is all about ensuring they match the noun they're replacing. Here are some tips. If the noun is singular, use a singular pronoun. For example, Lisa is reading her book, not their book. Match the gender. Use the correct pronoun based on the gender of the noun. For example, he is running for a male subject. But remember, it's important to respect someone's preferred pronouns.